Hey girl, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So today we are doing this makeup look that I'm wearing right here. I'm actually wearing a wing today, and even more shocking, I'm wearing a lip again for the second video in a row. Are you proud of me? You guys should be really proud of me because I'm doing this for you. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. I hope that you had a lot of great food. Now that Thanksgiving is over, Christmas. It's like my mind is going crazy right now because I still have to do Christmas shopping, plus my birthday, plus Anthony's birthday, and the new year, and it's just a lot is coming up basically now that Thanksgiving is over. It's like over that hump, and now it's like, all right, down to business. So on top of trying to stay consistent with YouTube, I'm going to try to get everything Christmas done, and we're gonna see how that goes. So yeah, we're officially like creeping into the winter, so this will probably be the last fall look that I do, just so you guys know. And yeah, we're pretty much gonna start doing some fun looks from here, some New Year's Eve Christmas looks, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. And then we'll start a new series on my channel, so if you want to see how I made this look, go ahead and keep on watching. So as always, I have started with one eye already done. I'm gonna go ahead and prime this eye with some concealer. I'm just gonna take a beauty blender and blend that out. I'm gonna pick up the shade Morocco from the Nubian 2 palette. I'm gonna tap off the excess, and I'm using an Morphe S27. You know, this look is really simple. I've been doing some really simple looks lately, and yet I've like never done any of them ever on my eyes, like ever. I was kind of scared to do a winged liner because I haven't done it in a while. And I haven't done it in a while because I thought like I wasn't going to be able to do one, or I was going to struggle. But I actually didn't. I was very pleased and impressed with myself because I did it really fast, and I love the way it came out. Please excuse my hair. I don't know what's going on with her today. Well, I haven't brushed my hair. And then once I have tapped the color where I want it, I'm going to start to diffuse it some. I'm just doing small circular motions. Doing this really soft and gentle, and just kind of taking my time. So after I did my pink eyebrows, I was looking back at pictures and I didn't really like them, just because I felt like I did them too thick and short for my face. I just feel like for my face shape, my eyebrows look better, or it complements my face shape better when my eyebrows are like kind of tilted in a little and they are longer. I did them like more straight and thick, and I just didn't end up liking them. But I still posted the video and the pictures and stuff because I'm trying to get better at letting you guys criticize me instead of just criticizing myself all the time and being like, oh no, I don't like that, so I'm not going to put it up. Another thing that I wanted to let you guys know, before I didn't really have like a set schedule of when I was going to be posting on Instagram, on YouTube, but now I pretty much have figured out a schedule that's going to work for me. So I'm going to be uploading videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I wanted to upload on Sunday too, but then that means I would be double uploading Sunday and Monday. So I'm not going to do Sunday. I'm just going to keep it 3 times out of the week, because I was like, 3 times, I could probably do more, but I'm just going to keep it at 3 for now. We're going to see how this goes. I don't even think I was telling y'all what I was doing. I went into my Jaclyn Hill palette. I took this yellow shade right here, and I just started to diffuse that. So you guys have been watching me do it. I just didn't tell you that I was doing it because I was so busy talking. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. I go back in with that same Morocco shade. And now I'm going to pick up a Morphe S21, and I'm going to take this shade right here from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I want to put this shade like right in the crease and also all over my lid. Losing that yellow, so I'm going to go back in. This brush right here that I'm using, this is a brush that I got maybe a few years back. I got it from a store called Makeup on the Go. It's in Oak Cliff off of Jefferson. And then I'm just going to take it on my finger and make sure that it's all over my lid. Okay, so now we're going to give ourselves a winged liner. I am going to pick up a Morphe M432 brush, and I'm going to go into my Morphe 39A palette and pick up the black eyeshadow from there. I'm going to tap the brush in it, and then I'm going to spray my brush, and then I'm going to do my eyeliner. So I kind of just want to make sure that I get them real even. I think that's good. So once you've made your line out, you just want to connect that in. I don't know, you guys, it's so much easier for me to do my eyeshadow with, for me to do my eyeliner with eyeshadow. Like, look, it's just so easy. I never have any problems. I've always had a problem with like gel liners not being dark enough, but when I use black eyeshadow, like, it's so black and I just love it so much. And it's like, it's a lot harder to make a mistake with this brush and with eyeshadow. I hate liquid eyeliner personally. I just could not. I hated it. What I hate about it is that it like is shiny, not matte. So that's another huge reason why I love to use eyeshadow, because it gives you a nice matte liner as opposed to using a liquid that will give you like a shiny cast. I don't really like that. It's not my forte at all. So I'm pretty proud of my eyebrows. You guys know. Yes, I did shave them off. And I have to say, they're growing back pretty fast. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see like the hair follicles in there, but they're coming back already, and it's barely been like 2 days. I'm dreading finishing this video because that means I have to go wash dishes. I hate washing the dishes. I do. Just to give my face some extra moisture, I'm going to go in with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum. So yeah, as far as my brows go, I'm still just trying to figure out like, okay, what really works, what doesn't, as far as like the shape and the thickness and stuff. Our foundation. I'm super excited for Black Friday, you guys, because that's when I'm gonna like re-up on all my makeup. I've been waiting for Black Friday specifically because I was like, no, I'm not. Well, I know not everyone is gonna have Black Friday sales, but most of the brands that I use are. So I'm like, yes. And this is a Morphe Y7. I really love this foundation, you guys. It's like the color match is really good. Nothing that I've ever found before. so I just like can't stop talking about the color match. I feel like every time I do talk about this foundation, it is about the color match. I don't know, I feel like I'm just like all the undertones put in one. But I feel like it also just depends on like what kind of lighting you're in. You know, some lightings will make your skin look a certain way. I'm genuinely like, I am a warm undertone. As you can see, like my skin is pretty yellow. I don't have much redness in these lights because I mean, I've got 3 huge softboxes, so they're giving me a lot of light right now. Oh! Oh! That's never happened to me before. I've never had to worry about that happening. Like, it got on my eyebrow. Okay, I'm just gonna be more careful. Oh, dang. I was gonna put my concealer underneath my foundation because when I did that on, whenever I did my purple eyeshadow, the glitter smoky eye, I really liked how it looked underneath. I felt like my skin looked really glowy and nice. And this shade is like a little too light, so I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna see. Oh, I'm just like all out of whack today. I was supposed to be contouring, but whatever. I actually don't know why I started doing that because I used to put on my concealer before I contoured, but for some reason I've been doing my contour first and then highlighting. I don't know. Ain't it weird how like you start to switch up your routine like that? Even after you thought you were like so dead set at having it a certain way. So what did everyone indulge in for Thanksgiving? Of course, you know, I know we probably all had the same things, around the same things. But I'm interested to know, do any of you guys not have Thanksgiving food on Thanksgiving? I know one time my family did want to do something different and not have Thanksgiving food. We ended up still having Thanksgiving food. But yeah, do you guys do that? I always tell like my family or Anthony, like my mom, that I don't really know what it feels like to have a birthday because it really never feels like my birthday. It just feels like Christmas, you know, like everyone's getting together for Christmas and like people forget to tell me happy birthday all the time, you know, and it's like I don't take offense to that. I don't get offended because I know like it's also Christmas. But my dad has always made me feel real special, telling me that I share a birthday with baby Jesus. But yeah, you know, like it can just get annoying, especially when you have like spoiled brat syndrome on your birthday and you just want to do what you want. The Christmas day is just like, you kind of just go with the flow. You never really know how things are gonna go. You just go with it. You see what happens. And then it also sucks too because you know, like on Christmas everything is closed but like the damn movies. So even if I did want to go do something, it's like, oh, there's not much that I could do. Now that I'm done venting, I'm actually gonna finish up my face off camera. I'm gonna blend this out and then I'm gonna come back and we'll finish off the underneath of my eyes. But I'm gonna do lashes and mascara off camera, so I'm gonna be right back. See these lashes? I am in love with these. I'm about to fly away. These are the M301 lashes and the 3D Mist lash. I love those lashes. They're so affordable and they're so pretty. We're going to use the same colors that we used on our lid. We're just going to go in reverse. So I'm going to start with the darker shade, the like orangey red, and then I'm going to go into Morocco and then the yellow shade. So I'm just going to buff this out. I am going in with just the same brush that I was using. Sorry, I look like I'm breaking my damn neck. Going in with just a teeny bit of Morocco. And then lastly, just a little bit of that yellow. gonna do some blush. You guys already know. I'm gonna use my Milani Luminoso. I'm just gonna do a little bit of this just because I'm not too sure what like an orange eyeshadow look with this peachy blush would do, or pink really, because it's almost pink when I put too much. So I'm just gonna do a little bit, you know, just to give me enough life back to my skin. Not gonna go crazy. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with 2 different brushes. I'm first gonna go in with my fan brush. Sorry, I couldn't see it to get in there. And what I like to do is just spray my face. And while my face is still damp, I'll go in with a beauty blender and just press everything into my skin. And I'm going to fill my waterline with some brown. Alright girls, so this does bring us to the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I don't know, I've never really tried an all over orange, and oh, just kidding, a lip. Now, this is an ultra matte lip from ColourPop, but it's a really old one that I got a long time ago, and their formula was like basically trash. I'm gonna be honest, I hate it, but I think that it's gonna go really good with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on real quick. This is called Love Bug. This is a little bit redder than I wanted it to be, but that's okay. It's a little bit redder than I would have liked, but honestly, I'm not mad at it. Like, I think it still looks pretty good, and I'm not about to take this off right now because I'm telling you, this formula is like, it's not coming off. It's staying there basically. Once it dries, it's on there. Like, it's already dry. Like, that's not coming off. It's not. But I actually really like it. If you don't put a lot, then it's real nice actually. I like that. Alright guys, so this does bring us to the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I really love this look. I love that I'm wearing a wing today. I haven't done one in forever, and doing this look made me remember how much I miss wings. They're like, it just changes your whole look. I absolutely love it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the notification bell. That way you never miss a slay with me. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye!